We are at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom in Orlando, Florida, and about to go on Tiana's Bayou adventure. In this video, you're going to see the entire ride from start to finish. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you get more content like this. And comment below with the Disney ride you would like to see next.
Let's join those up ahead and find some musicians.
Going down, oh boy.
How do we get wet for that?
Whoa, did you get wet? Going down the bayou.
I know. Going into my ear too.
Man, it's hard to find a
Put down. I do like all the plants and stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, that's the plant. That's how cherry
Okay, yeah, no.
Yeah, good thing we went at night. It's really pretty.
Hey, here we go. Ow.
Yeah, that wet. What? What? Please tell me there's another claw. That one's bigger.
What the heck?
This nautical man she found can play. Hallelujah!
That's a big black alligator.
They're the bees and knees. I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight.
We gon' take you all the way down. We know where you're going and we're going with you. All the way.
You like the music?
Another alligator.
Looks like it.
Somebody. Hey, look, I'm
Come to the party to play, but let's explore a big lawn.
How's this?
Oh yeah, we have a big dog. Never mind, this is the big dog. What the heck?
I love that.
What the flip? Look at that big dog. We just touched them.
Here we go. You ready?
Our little friends below us.
That wasn't a bit. I was scared.
Where they go?
That was a trick.
We have to find them.
Is that a frog or is that the alligator? I can't tell.
I think it's a frog.
This area is just really weird. Like, I don't even know what happened.
This joint is hopping.
I think it's
Oh yeah, that's super big. That's fine. That was the funnest drop that
Who's whipping? What? Hurry for what?
Hey, go in! Yeah, Daddy, hurry!
You like it so far? Yeah.
Let's get you big again. Cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash you'll make in the heart.
Oh boy. This is a big drop. You guys ready? Here we go. I got you.
I dodged the water!
You dodged it.
I went like this and I only got like a little bit. I don't even know. Can we go again?
Look, see the parade?
Daddy, can we go again? They were doing 6 separate. I did 6 separate.
Is that so much fun?
There were kids on the bridge. There were kids
You
on
didn't
the
like
bridge
it?
doing. There She was at first 6, 7. I was like,
I know.
yeah. Can we go again? No! I don't want to go on any ride. What?
You don't want to go on any more rides? Yeah, this is where they had Zippity Doodah before. Yeah, remember she turned into a frog? Yeah, it's pretty much just this stuff.
Yeah, I couldn't really see that much.
Really?
I can only see that much. Like right now, I can only see that
Tiana
much.
sure knows how to make a party special. Yes, fill it up with special people like you.
No, honey, that's it. And that is Tiana's Bayou adventure at Disney's Magic Kingdom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. As always, thank you for watching.